Once upon a time, Lily asked, "Why is the sky blue?" Her wise grandpa smiled. "It's because of something called Rayleigh scattering. Imagine sunlight as a mix of colors, like a rainbow. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it bumps into tiny air molecules. These molecules scatter the colors in different directions. Blue and violet are scattered more than other colors because they travel as shorter, smaller waves. It's like throwing tiny balls, blue light, and bigger balls, red light, at a bumpy surface. The tiny balls bounce around more. So, more blue light is scattered all around, making the sky appear blue to our eyes." Grandpa showed Lily a simple experiment. He filled a glass with water and added a few drops of milk. Now, shine a flashlight through the glass. Lily saw the water turning a bluish color when viewed from the side. The milk particles scatter the light, just like air molecules scatter sunlight. At sunrise and sunset, the sky appears reddish. This is because the sunlight has to travel through more of the atmosphere. The blue light is scattered away, leaving the red and orange colors to reach our eyes. It's like the blue light gets tired from traveling so far. Lily understood. So, the sky is blue because blue light is scattered more. Grandpa nodded. Exactly. Rayleigh scattering makes our sky beautiful and blue. Lily felt so happy to understand the magic of the sky. She ran outside, looked up, and smiled at the big blue sky. She knew that even simple things could have amazing explanations. One day, she would tell her friends all about Rayleigh scattering. She imagined them doing the milk experiment together. Lily loved learning new things. She knew the world was full of wonders. She decided to keep exploring and asking questions. She knew that every question had an answer waiting to be discovered. Grandpa watched her with a smile. He was happy to share his knowledge with her. He knew that one day, she would teach others too. As the sun began to set, the sky turned a beautiful orange. Lily pointed to the horizon and said, "Look, Grandpa, Rayleigh scattering." Grandpa hugged her tightly. "You got it, Lily." And they both watched the sunset together in awe of the beautiful sky.